Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a roller coaster. I can finally get some roller coaster items in this game. So, go to the research store and I'm just going to purchase, I think you do have to purchase a lot, but I'm going to make the smallest roller coaster because I only have this many wishing stars. So, I'm going to buy this one first, which is the Big Loop roller coaster track, and I'm just going to purchase that. And there's a little how to on doing that. Also buy the basic roller coaster track. I guess it's just a building permit, so you don't have to buy a lot. I already bought the like roller coaster car, so whoa. So I'll get back to my house and I'll see you when I get there. So I'm on the island because I don't have any more space, but you're just going to go to the build mode. It is a little bit tedious to explain, so I'll try explaining in the best way that I can. Go to building materials and go to others, and you'll see the roller coaster track here. You actually don't need the big one. If you don't want to, you can just use this one. Okay, let's see how many space I have. I'm just gonna make like the smallest roller coaster. So here we have this one, and basically you're just going to place one and you'll see this icon here. And basically, if you want to go, like if you want it to turn left, you can select this button, right? And then if you want it to go up, you can. This is like up and right. Okay, let's do like the normal one. Up, and then this is down. And then this is like down even more if you want it to go like down. So I'm just going to make it like straight here first. Then I want it to go up, so I'm just going to press the up button. And then it's going to continue going up. And then for instance, I want to go down, but I want it to go right and down. So let's place like this first. And then we're going to place this to go right. And then we're going to press the down like button and it's going to go down. And then I want it to like turn again here. And then this is going to go to the floor. So we're going to press the up like button again. And then I'm just going to make it so it connects. You can just leave it so it doesn't connect, so it stops. But you can also connect it. Okay, it's a little bit hard to connect it if I do this. Hold on. Okay, I don't think I'm able to connect it, but oh, there we go. All right, so this is my roller coaster. I know this looks like awful, but obviously this is just an example. And then once you're done, just press complete. And then you're able to place the like car on the track. You don't actually place it in build mode, so just kind of walk around and see where you have to place it. Oh, here it is. So you'll see this like car button, just press on it and then select the like roller coaster car. And then what's this? Ooh, orbit settings. Oh, how many times like it's gonna like loop? Oh my gosh, continuous. Let's just do one orbit. And then what else? Oh, okay. And then you can also change the color of the track. I forgot to show you. Let me go back to the build mode. But you can actually change the color of the tracks itself, just in case you want to change it. So here, oops, press this button and you have like 5 colors: yellow, green, orange, and pink. You can also like do it in turns if you really want to make your roller coaster colorful. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. But let's test it out. Obviously, you're going to want to make a better roller coaster than this, but this is just a tutorial. So again, place the car here. Okay, and let's test it out. Sit on it and then press F. You can also change the point of view, like so. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!